Hello, today I have a 2013 Chrysler 300C Hemi engine 5.7. Trying to remove the crank body. I was looking for the tools for it, and I tried many tools not fitting, but only this tool I was using for Toyota before. I got it from AutoZone. Let me show you the bar number right here. That's how OEM Harmonic Balancer and Bullet Kit. This is the number 27019, I believe. And we've got all these bolts. I use this one, but the longer one. Let me show you how I set it up. Because this bolt I didn't find the right size, so I used this nut so to have a room to get this out. So there is 3 bolts. Let me show it look like. This is the one. This are the crank body, the one with this circles, because there's so many different ones. I tried many tools and not working, but only this one. You see there is 1 bolt, and there's second one right here, 13 millimeter. And the bottom one, that is how I set it up. See, it's like a triangle. Use the longer right one right here, the top one, the bottom one. You have to put this one on first, and the cap inside here before you tie, because you cannot put it on because of the radiator. So I tied them up, and then now I'm gonna use the 19 ratchet to get it out. So that's what I want to hear. I'm gonna leave the phone and hold it. But now you know how you're gonna take it out. And if you wanna lock this so you can get this out, you can stick something like this. I have the chain. You can use the chain if you want to hold it, but I use something like that to lock. See this? I'm gonna put it in the bottom one. I'll show you how to use this. Yeah, maybe. And I gotta hold it with my other hand. So you can use some like this, or you can use, if you do have a chain. Let me show you like what. Hold the camera on. Like this one. I don't know if you know about these tools. I mean, most of the people know it. So this one, it goes around the crank, so you can tighten it. So you can hold it like this, and then you can keep it going. Or one more thing, you can get ratchet, another ratchet, and you put one here with your left hand and one there, maybe a little bit bigger one, 21. So 22 maybe, 21 or 22. Okay, something like that. Something like this. Then you can lock it with your left hand. Then you can get this out easy. Or you can hold it like this. So that way you can lock it from turning. There's many ways, you know. I just want to show you the tools, how that you get this out. And also I get the 21 bolt, the crank pulley bolt out. Is you can use the chain, or what I do is like I showed at the beginning about this in any hole, and it's gonna block the you're gonna block it over here from turning. See that? So when you turn, it's gonna stuck on the timing cover. It's not gonna break it. I've done it many times. So it's many way. Use your own way if you like. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, just comment below.